In this video, we will work on creating this text and the green base. Let's start with a new file in Blender. Select all by pressing a key and delete all the objects. I'll enable the Screencast Keys add-on. This will log the keys and clicks for your reference. Now let's add a plane. This will be our base platform. The size of the plane is 2 meters across. If you have a keyboard with a numpad, you can zoom in by pressing the period, dot symbol, key on it. Press the S and X key to scale the width along X-axis. Press numpad 1 to go to the front view. Press N to check the dimensions. 2.4 meters should be good. Let's add a background color for the plane. I will call it base. Now add the text object. Press Shift and A, then choose text. Rotate 90 degrees. And reduce the radius. I will set the radius to 0.2 meters. Select Text and click on Text Properties tab to change alignment and font style. I'll choose the Basement Grotesque black font. Press Tab key to enter edit mode and change the text. Switch to object mode. Let's go to Material Preview. Select the text object and add a color material. Red color should do. Reduce the roughness to 0. This will make the object reflect some light. Press / key to hide all except the selected object. Looks good. Let's convert the object to a mesh. Click on Object tab, then Convert and click on Mesh. Go to Edit mode by pressing Tab. You can see a lot of triangles in the topology. We don't have to spend time on fixing these, since it's just for animation video. Do a merge by selecting all, CMD/Control and A, and then pressing M key. This will remove any additional vertices. Next, extrude the text mesh by pressing E and dragging the mouse. Make sure it looks good in multiple angles. Numpad 1 for front view. Box select all the front faces. Zoom in and do an inset by pressing the I key. Left-click to confirm the inset. Press Alt/Option and S keys to fatten the face. This should be enough. Do another inset by pressing I key and dragging the mouse. Left-click to confirm the inset. Press Tab to enter object mode. Right-click and shade smooth. Press Tab to enter edit mode. Press numpad 3 to enter face select mode. Alt/Option and left mouse click to loop select the faces. Do this for all the characters by Shift plus Option and click. Assign a new color to the selected area in the Material Properties tab. I'll choose yellowish orange and make it metallic. Click on Assign to apply the new color. I'll adjust the text color to a much darker red. And also the metallic and roughness properties. .500 should be good for both properties. The text styling is almost complete. Press the / key to unhide all the hidden objects. Let's add a camera object. Adjust the angle and location. Click on the camera icon for camera view. While in camera view, click on the lock icon, and then pan and zoom to adjust the camera view. Click on the lock icon again to retain this camera view. The text to mesh and the styling is complete. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will animate the text. See you in the next video.